up, Mikey?
Track's looking dry today.
Ew, bananas!
Get this in the vlog.
Mike Bird, number 19. How are you feeling about the race today?
You know, racing myself. Gonna go cop a dub.
Privateer, right?
Got the old boots. Got the old boots today. Old gear, old boots. New helmets coming. Combat condition.
No! No! So right now Mike's doing a little bit of riding. We're at the Woodbine pit, same as last week. I'm not touching the grass, but last week I got like chigger bites all over my legs. It looks like the chicken pox. So I guess it's from walking in the grass or something. But I can't even wear shorts right now and it's Memorial Day weekend. So that's great. And tomorrow's gonna be 90. So yeah. We're probably gonna do like tennis or something after this. So as promised, because I keep my promises, I have to go pick up 10 pieces of trash because I got that one new subscriber. Thank you, new subscriber. I don't know who you are, but you are helping to save the environment a little bit. Yeah. So I'm going to go out, pick up 10 pieces of trash and put them where they belong. A trash can. Outfit of the day. Mike's shirt. And my Levi's.
5 of them! Oh! Oh my gosh!
Time to pick up some trash. Like, what is this? That's disgusting. What? I don't really want to touch this. Okay. Oh. That's 2. Number 3. 4, 5. Oh my gosh. 5, 6, 7. Number 8. I'm only on 8 and I can't find any more. Okay, number 9. I need one more. And number 10. Thank you to my one new subscriber. You are helping save the environment. I'm scared. Who is that? Yeah, I'm pretty sure nobody ever comes out here, so it's strange. Time to leave. So we're done riding today. I guess we're going jet skiing right now. Pizza station. Mike Smith. What's up, Mike Smith?
Fried.
Should we go to Ocean City? Should we go get lit in Ocean City for MDW?
Oh my god, fam. We should just go get lit.
Garlic pizza. What a romantic meal. Boyfriend's on the phone, you know,
Watch
as
some
always.
motocross though. Watch some motocross. That's a valid excuse.
He's so strong. up, Mikey?
Hi.
But I didn't expect
Shake, shake. Mike, how do you feel about all these PA people here?
Hi. I'm used to coming here.
There's not even this many people here in the winter time. Or I mean,
No.
in the normal summer.
Wait. Wait.
Why don't we just open up the other one? Mike?
We just took off.
Woohoo!